That's a nice cup of tea. Riot, once a stray known for its thieving ways, has made headlines for a remarkable transformation. After finding his way to the Happy Paw Sanctuary, Riot has found Jesus and taken to spending his days praying and spreading the word of our Lord. Can this feline be the next Mother Teresa? Only time will tell. Now that is a fucking good cup of tea.
Oh, wasn't he a cutie? Now, that's all our stories for the day. So, it's goodbye from Aunt Ethel.
Bye.
And it's goodbye from our Tom.
Oh no!
Whoa. And it's goodbye from me, and goodbye from Deirdre. Bye!